Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Reasons with Sheena. Big up to all lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax and enjoy the vibe. Let's get into it. Walk on, how things, how no do? No good? Everybody good? Nice. I don't want to enjoy, I know they are so and so and so. Oh, all right, nice. Well, I'm me alone to them, love. Me alone. Agnes herself, them gone pan girls outing, love. Me never feel like go because me don't want to chat with others. So, I don't go on, man. Go and go enjoy yourself. So, Agnes herself gone about them business, my dear children. Yes, no, my love. So, my loves. Uno want see the galangments them. Uno want hear the things them. Uno want pay attention. Uno looking, uno listening, and uno learning. Hey, I hope uno want take sleep, mark. DEATH out here, you know. Hmm. For when me sit down, my loves, I'ma look, I'ma observe when me see a go on out here. You don't know what the moral of the story is? The moral of the story is be careful of the people them who wanna be friend out here. Because enough of them a wolf in a sheep cloth. Yes, wolf in sheep clothing, my love. Them come under disguise. It is all peaches and cream. It is all nice and dandy when everybody sit down and a gas up and a gas up and a chat up and sit down on phone day in, night out, hours, pan top of hours. It's all good until one link week way and pop way. And as soon as you know see one link start go bad, the entire chain start to separate, my love. Far. If you don't pay attention, you know. And one always going or several always going back at the one, you know. So, and not just the one chain link, boss. Several tear way too. And you see, when all of that happen now, you see any little thing, when everything did nice and then they uno sit down and talk up and uno confide in them and open out the whole of uno tripe and intestine them and tell them. Believing that, oh, I have found a friend, I have found a friend. And good friends are hard to find, and thank God that I have found you. And you develop confidence and start telling your business. Hey! When the pom pom come, the bangarang start and the chain link they start bust up, everything reload you like a trader. Everything start reload, so nothing what you tell them. No, but I feel like I say it a stay, it a go dash out you like a garbage. Yes, and that I go along with all of them now. All of them from one to all. It doesn't matter which side or which camp them a come off. That are one of the main thing in common out here with all of them. Voice note fling out, recordings fling out because everybody, when you're calling, everybody phone the pan recording because they want things for save for rainy day, my love, so that them can come back and use it against you. So, my loves, me people them over here, so wanna be wise, use wisdom, be careful, no take sleep and market. Learn from the rest of them mistakes. Because because the good have to go suffer for the bad. You have nice, clean, genuine people out there, but you don't know them because everybody, as me said, them coming at this guys. And the worst part of it, no, you know, my love, the dispute where you and them having is no longer between you and them alone. Them now argue about the issues where them have and deal with that alone. Them a go in depth and them a go search out your platform and them a go for your gingeration them, whether it be that them dead or them alive. They going for them. You understand me? All your ancestors them where you don't know nothing about. Your born and you never see them because when you born them kick bucket long time them go for them and them carry them resurrect them as a matter of fact. And carry them right back up here on the surface of the earth. And them a tell you about them. Not even the suckling panny breast no spear, even if the suckling no born yet, no see son yet, him still in her belly, she's still in her belly. Them now pardon them. You understand? Them a dig up every friggin' body like a crab. Them a rake up everybody out of them all like a crab. No stone now left and turn. So all who I go out here I preach, I say, kids are off limits. Kids are off limits. Who know I talk to? Them no business about that. Any which a part where them have to stick your feet earth, them a go down to the level there, right? Them people out there is like they are no adults again. Them a picking. Them a picnic to me not think no sensible adults behave like them individual out here, so trust me. And then uno wonder why. And then uno wonder why teachers have so much problems in a school with picnic these days. Because of the yard where them a come out and if the head of the stream dirty, the bottom dirty too. No for what go in high school now with the school picnic them. And the teachers are what they picnic them see a yard go on a yard with them parents, our guardian. And them type of people you have for them type of picnic problems in a school. Cause them not have nobody to guide them a yard. You understand? So once any little disagreement between you and them, them turn the crocodile hunter, they going hunting. Them going hunting. Because trust and believe your business are gonna short ya. All where you never put past social media, them a go for it, come put it out ya. If you do a 9 to 5, you're at risk of losing it. Because them a call boss, them a call workplace. If you're an entrepreneur and do certain type of job where you have certain kind of client, you're at risk of losing them. Because as me say, it's no longer about you and them again. Them have to drag the innocent family members in it. Some of the family members them do even know social media. Some of them are all old granny do even know how to operate a smartphone. Them have to use banger with big numbers. All them need is a hi, hello. Them no need not more. All them have is a hi, hello. You understand? Just ring and hang up. That's all. Not even message them no send. To how them not understand the smartphone and them not have nothing to do with social media. But one of them there, yeah, somebody are gonna learn. One of them there, yeah, if you not tap on no foolishness or no carelessness, cause a be a carelessness, me see I go along with them big woman here. If you not tap on no carelessness, one of you are gonna learn and gonna learn the hard way. Somebody I go holler and it's not tears of joy, it going to be tears of sorrow because you are gonna mess with the wrong smarty. The wrong somebody. Yeah, man. Some man who are gonna go night. Some man who are gonna have grave digging. Some man who got eulogy for read. Tributes for give and thank you for sing. Rock of ages, clear for me. Funeral for keep. Funeral packages for pick out. All because I want to mess with the wrong smarty past social media. And everybody are going to take certain things lightly. Remember, you know, the thing might not reach you, but reach smarty for you because them say if you can't catch kwaku, them catch you short. So you no need to face the reality of life and tap one like one idiot out here. Tap one like I say, you unreachable. Because when people serious, they find ways and means. You understand? I mean, I speak in general, yeah, so. Because I look, I look at my love, and me, I say, you know, say somebody I got feeling, then can't hear somebody I got feel, though. You can't hear, you must feel. Somebody I got feel. Somebody I got learn. I think I get serious. It I get serious out here. Not everybody I got suck them teeth and say, oh, this is social media because you have people where I take out people 3 pints for less than that. So uno be careful. Uno might have say, oh, me they are foreign, them can't find me. Careful how uno mess with people. If uno have no difference, uno deal with it on social media. Tap good on in a people famble and gingeration. Uno see how time around. Uno no see how hurt around. Uno no realize by now say life no have no value. Uno no see that. If you have like a sound, uno blind, uno not yeah. Uno not use uno head. I don't want to use uno head for the wrong things. Uno fit tap it. Uno fit tap it. Do uno need fit tap it. Take heed. Somehow uno going too far. My granny always say bird fly too fast, then pass their nest. I saw you come up. Or fly too far. Bird fly too far, then pass their nest. Bird fly too fast, then pass their nest. Me don't know how you go. Anybody know where you go? How you go can come together in the comment section because a long time me left my granny long time. My granny kicky bucket and gone. So me remember some of them something there. Me might remember peace. But me remember something about bird and pass them nest, my love. But you don't know what me attack. It's a proverb. You don't know what me attack. You know, but question no, Madam Lorlor. Question to you, Madam Lorlor. Then Lorlor, come here, man. Come here, then, man. Come here. Then Lorlor, You come out here to the public, you understand, in the name of fighting corruptions. My love is my background noisy because me dey home now and school dismissed. So you know vehicle pass. Me live close to the school, so vehicle pass to or from. So me have to constantly a pause the video. You understand for allow the noise to go away. So any like a distraction, that is the reason. Yes, but now you Lord, you come out here now, say you're fighting for your cause you're fighting corruption. Cause me never know say you did nominated to be ambassador for corruption fighting. That you have to come out here and go down to all that levels. You understand where you go? For one day get somebody have all the corruption we are going out here. So many corruption. Corruption in the whole our system, them the police system, the political system. Everywhere you take it to Jamaica, yeah, there is some form of corruption somewhere. You understand? But you take it up by yourself now, Philip. Pan one woman back like a thick span cow seed bag. You understand me? But the thing is, no, you so hell bent pan fighting corruption. You understand? Look how much millions you see and world lose to corruption. Me no hear you talk about none of that. For all I know, the man no get back none of money yet. And you claim you're standing up for a cause. And I want somebody you depend. Want somebody? No man, this sound away. This sound like I say you have a vendetta against this somebody. You not fight no corruption, cause no corruption no there so for you fight. But in the name of fighting corruption, based upon what me hear have lately now, you know, Lord, then how you have fight corruption? Are you so corrupt? Ima, make it make sense. Make it make sense to me. There. You have fight corruption. You so corrupt. And so much corruption in your generation has gone to where me a hear out there. Then your granny never tell you so you must learn to dance a yard before you go abroad go dance. Because say for your stream not clean, your stream dirty. And you never know so you did fi pick the beam out of your eye before you go and trouble the beam when in somebody else's eye. Eh? You know me love so now. Yesterday, you did know say the Mr. Ashanti man. He went there Jamaica. Me no know if he's still there. You understand? Me no know if he's still there. But me know say yesterday he went there at Jamaica. Yes, but the part of the life when me catch now where he may do, he may sit down somewhere out of the door. If I did what power and step or something, but he may sit down out there, I do my life. And you know, when me catch now, me catch the part where he may not talk something about the curly lady. But the same time now, him did it in the conversation I talk now is like I say now, somebody I pass, you understand? And I tell him now, say, this somebody heal him up first. And then I tell him, say, she's a fan of his, she watch him. You understand me? Look, and I so know, you know, him a heal back this smaddy. And this smaddy now start open up her tribe and everything where she know about the Lord woman. Cause guess what now, my dear children? The same smaddy now, you know, see the part where Lord come from out here Jamaica. And the same part the woman help me dear children. So she know Lord no fan Lord was a little bit a girl. She grew up in the same community where the woman hail him. And she tried so something. She said Lola was a blackie tutus. She's not a browning. She's not a real browning. She's a blackie tutus. And she said that. I don't know something there her card where she said make she no have no teeth. You understand? She used to suck finger and the whole of them rotten out me love and she start spill her guts more so more something when me no want talk about. You understand me? Me no want talk about them best thing them love for her. Never did I don't know I hear say I don't want but she start talk so something but Lord people them with pie man and people will lose them 3 pints and reason why Lolo have to run away from which Apache went there, you understand? You no come up close for her don't want chat loud, you understand? But enough sin to the woman spill out pan I tried me dear children her tear out me eye wide. For I couldn't believe when I hear say she know the whole of Lolo business when Lolo ran there Jamaica my loves. So hence them say he's not all that glitter is gold. You understand me, my loves? So that are the reason why me I said then how the backside now the Lord woman the upper foreign now say she have fight corruption when she, hey, mercy God, mighty savior. Lord, they are foreign have fight corruption. When Lord, you have your people them and generation them so corrupt. He has so much corruption, my love. Oh no, into so much hot of hardness. That he that you couldn't turn which apart you well you have to run away from there. I saw the woman I say me love I don't know. So me just ask the question, Lord, or asking you the question, how you know if you fight corruption, my love? How you know if you fight corruption? You have to fight the corruption out of your generation first. Eh? Me dear children, this man they read out the whole Lord file and tell the Miss Ashanti man. Yes, my loves. Then that thing now. Then who know when was say the Lord woman now she did pick up for her phone and call the producer smaddy way out here husband. Moms, them the same thing they may book up in I no wanna hear because say she went come out the other day and want fling out so recording her voice note with the producer woman. But producer woman man. Listening to them, they face no, they are no producer woman. That sound like I say you used to kiss up to Lolo, man. He sound like I say you used to kiss up to her. Call it, well, I no call her who no boss. He call her who no boss. You sound like I say everything when you hear you pick up here and carry go give Lolo, go tell Lolo. And it was sound like I say all some of the time Lolo tired of you and pay you no mind, but your name not top. Him producer woman. Then I saw the whole of who way frightened for Lolo. My God. Mm-hmm. So my loves, the come with the Lolo woman now. She come, you understand? And that short voice recording or something, a voice note me about the producer smarty now. She only come now, you know, and dash out one side her device, no, she know dash out for her side. So meanwhile, no, me way sit down now I feel like I say the producer smart, you know, I go come dash out for Lord vice note them, but she has said the phone there now work, so I guess she no have nothing for come dash out. But Lord, yet. Let me say yet. Mm-hmm. But the fact say Lord now come and dash out vice recording and something he never sit well with her, my love. She never like him. So she come back out here for Lord, me dear children. Her my loves, she rip up so something under her ex-boss. She rip up so something under her. My God. Some of them never sound well, my love. He never sound well. Madam Lord, ma'am, this was her funeral for you. This year was her funeral for how the woman deal with your heart, my dear child. Mm-hmm. And then, my loves, you know see how God work though. You know see how God work though for the same producer, somebody, you know, my love, come out here, confess now, you know. She a confess. Because say she admit this here holy lies them come out here can't tell pan the lady the woman. Mm-hmm. Well, Lord, make them tell lie pan the woman. And at the same thing, me did hear the cartoon woman come out here cause so Lord, make them sit down and tell lie pan the woman. Yes, my love. So confession is good for the soul. So if you like I said, them not have a mind for them own that if Lord tell them to jump, them ask how high. Or if Lord tell them to climb on a building, you know what them are going to do it same way. Uno never know say a wrong, uno do fi tell her no, uno nah do it. Uno come out here, and uno tell her pan the woman, and try to disgrace the woman and make things look bad pan her. Now, all kind of thing a tumble down pa uno. Between me and uno, me no sorry for uno, you know how do, sorry for not one uno because uno we know what uno do. Uno know what uno na do bad to bad, she never hold no pipe ya uno head and tell uno say uno come conduit, uno conduit half uno who want free will. Now see what happened to uno there. See there. See there. The same thing we who know wish pan the woman a hit a backfire pan the whole a uno. I hit a backfire. And then who look like the idiot now out there? Who look like the idiots now? Uno, you know. Uno look like the fools. Mm-hmm. All I uno look choppy. The only thing uno want right now are the nose and the clown suit and the hat. That's all. To be the perfect clown. The whole of uno look stupid. Because uno same one cuss Lord say she done and she this and that, then how the backside uno make her dance control uno so much and I tell uno what to do. Uno such brilliant people, uno such independent people, uno got so no things. I uno make Lord. Uno make Lord. The likes are Lord no I can't do no I tell uno what to do. Uno doesn't sound no idea to no sense. That one goddamn sense. Well, me loves, me there, me a look and me a learn. And as me said earlier, the moral of the story is to be careful of the people them who uno befriend boy yeah. Watch how them deal with other people because if them deal with other people, some type of way as same way them a can deal with uno. So uno learn sense. Listen how them talk about other people. As same way them a go do no, same goddamn way them a go do no. Uno feel like uno special to them. Uno not special to them. So no tan de go like uno is a blinking jackass. Until you end up and pay for roast and boil here, pay for one no yam. But love I got to go. You understand? Enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you all for watching and please remember if you reach this part of the video and you haven't liked it as yet, touch the like button, show a girl some love and support. Alright? Big up on yourself later on. Bye bye.